خلوني نعيش حياتي ناخد انا راحتي لي فات مات ولو من ذكرياتي ننسى شوية الهم من الماضي نتعلم دنيا هكا بغات عيشها وما تندم.
A life jacket in a pouch is located under your seat. In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, remove the life jacket from the pouch, slip it over your head and secure the strap tightly around your waist. Pull the red tag to inflate your life jacket or blow into the manual inflation tube.
After removing your personal masks, there is a water-activated light for attracting attention.
Inflate the life jacket as you leave the aircraft exit and do remember to remove your masks and gloves. In the event of a prepared emergency on water, infants will be provided with an infant life jacket. Kindly refer to the safety instructions card for the donning procedure. Thank you.